how are you? Nikita here with the Just Use Soap Company. And today I want to talk with you about the benefits of tea tree oil. Yes, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is used in so many products. Of course, they're used in bath products. They're used in hair products to help your hair grow, to help you with itchy scalp, right? They're used in shampoo. I've had my hair washed at the beauty shop before with tea tree, with shampoo with tea tree in it. It feels so amazing. I love it. But it has some skin benefits as well for your body products, right? Your wash off body products. Tree tea essential oil comes from the leaves of, pronunciation here, Melaleuca alternifolia, a small tree native to Queensland and New South Wales, Australia. Say all of that like 5 times. I think you'll have it. The benefits of, it is said the benefits, let me say it like that. It is said that the benefits of the tea tree oil is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal. It is said to eliminate body odor and to be a treatment for acne. If you purchase any products from Just Use Soap Company and it has tea tree oil in it, depending on the product, these are the benefits that we are saying this particular product could have. Please note that we're not making any medical claims. We've done our research on these essential oils and we put these oils in our products based on the research that we have done. These are the claims that are being made for this particular oil that is antibacterial. So that means that we will probably put it in a body wash or a body bar. It's anti-inflammatory. If we put it in our whipped shea butter, then that is something that's totally awesome that you can rub, particularly on your legs, right in those muscle areas. Then it is said to help with it's anti-inflammatory, so that means that it should help with any areas that may be inflamed from overuse, right? No medical claims being made, just saying what during the research, what they say tea tree essential oil is good for. Antifungal, right? If you have it again in the body wash or in a body bar, it may help you with some athlete's feet issues. Can eliminate body odor. If we put this in our Yanni bar, or we have a bar, don't have it on our website yet, but we have a bar that's specifically made for underarm odor, no medical claims being made, only saying what the research has said, that it can eliminate body odor. And then there's acne treatment. We do have some facial bars, activated charcoal, and I believe a turmeric bar that actually have tea tree oil in it to assist you with keeping your face clear with acne or helping clear up acne. Again, no medical claims being made, only telling you what the research shows. If it was a game show, let the board show what the research shows. And the research shows that that's what tea tree oil is. That's what the benefits, of tea tree oil are. So if you're interested in any of Just Use Soap Company's products, please feel free to visit us at www.justyousoapcompany.com. You can also visit us and follow us on Instagram at Just Use Soap Company and Facebook at Just Use Soap Company. As always, be blessed, be in peace, and remember that we make our products with you in mind.